विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण अल्जेब्राचा पहिला चॅप्टर सेट्सचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. आपण सेट्स म्हणजे काय हे प्रथम समजून घेऊ. त्याआधी आपण खालील जे एक्झाम्पल्स दिले त्या एक्झाम्पलचा अभ्यास करू. कन्सिडर द फॉलोइंग एक्झाम्पल्स. पहिला आहे डेज ऑफ ए वीक, मंथ्स इन ए इयर, फर्स्ट 10 काउंटिंग नंबर. या पहिल्या 3 एक्झाम्पल्समध्ये वी हॅव द आन्सर. डेज ऑफ ए वीक, एव्हरीबडी नोज द डेज ऑफ ए वीक, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So everybody has the same answer. Months in a year, everybody tells that January, February. So means everybody has the same answer. First 10 counting number, they are also the same answer. Everybody give the same answer. But in 4 and 5, if you say that happy children in the village and brilliant students of the class. In 4th, happy children in the village, some tells that X is happy, some tells that Y is happy, some tells that Z is happy. Similarly, in the brilliant students of the class, some tells that I am the brilliant, some tells that X is brilliant, some tells that Y is brilliant. It means that in 4th and 5th examples, we are going to confusing to give the answer of this question. When we are going to confuse to give the particular, to give the answer, there is such a collection which is confused to you. For the answer, such collection does not belongs into the set. But the collection which gives the clear idea, present the elements in it, which gives the clear idea what does it mean, and everybody has the same answer. Such a collection belonging into the sets. Try to, on the basis of these examples 1, 2 and 3, it is clear that it is the collection of well-defined objects. So when we have to provided the collection of well-defined objects, then it is called as a sets. Now try to write the definition of the sets. So we can write the definition of set like this. Sets. It is a collection of well-defined object. So above 3, 1, 2, 3 are. It is the example of a set. Above given 1, 2 and 3 is an example of a set. So this is, we define the set. It is a collection of well-defined objects. Above given 1, 2 and 3 example is an example of a set. Now methods to write the sets. So what are the methods? Some numbers, the set of a some number. See the set of some number, set of some numbers. suppose n, it is a set of, n is a set of natural numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it is a set of natural number. Is a set of natural number of natural number natural of a natural number. So W is a set of whole number. So whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it is a set of whole number. It is a set of whole number. So that is whole numbers. Next, I, it is that I is the set of integers. So next is that I is the set of, it is the set of integer. So this is 0, 1, 2 and 3 and so on. And here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So this is integer. Q is a set of rational number. Is a set of rational number. And R is a set of real number. So these are the some letters used to represent the set. N, natural number, W, whole number, I, integer, Q, rational number, and R is a real number. Is a set of, R is a letter used to represent the set of real number. So this is like. Now try to understand how to represent the set. So there are two methods to write the set. So now see that the methods to write the set. So methods to write the set. Methods to write the set. Methods to write the set. First one is that it is a listing method. Or it is sometimes called as a roster method. In listing method, elements are listed. Elements are listed in a curly bracket, and each element is separated by giving commas to each element. So in this method we are going to listed the elements. in a curly bracket, and they are separated by giving the commas. For example, A is a set of 2, 4, 6 and 8 and so on. So like that. How read? So sets are, remember that sets are represented by the capital letters A, B, C, all the capital letters. And the elements, that is the member of the sets, can be represented, can be written, can be shown by a small letter, that is small a, small b, small c, like this. So A is a. This is one of the method, listing method, or it is called as a roster method. So now third one is that we have the another method. It is known as a rule method. Another is rule method. Another is a rule method. So in rule method, what is that? Rule method, or it is sometimes called as a set builder form. In this method, describe the relation between the specification of relation between the elements in the listing method. Relation. What is the relation contained in the listing method? The elements in the, or sometimes it describe the specification of elements in the listing method. In short, rule method can explain the meaning of the elements of the listing method. So now, for example, how they differ, it clarify the example, how it clarify that. So to clarify, we see the example. Suppose that A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the set A represented or is written in the form of a listing method. This is a listing method. So now this listing method, the elements of this, or the relation between the elements of the listing method, can be described by a rule method like this. B or A is a set of, remember that, is a set of all x such that x is an U1, what are they? They are a U1 natural number, U1 natural number less than 9. So what is this? This is a description. Which description? This is the elements in the listing method. So it means that we can describe the elements, the relation of the elements present in the listing method in a rule method. Rule method is describe the relation between the elements in the listing method.